What's good YouTube? This is your boy President. What's good? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? So yeah, guys, a lot of you requested that you wanna see a day in the life of an Uber driver. Understand? Since I just started Uber recently, I feel like I have to share some experience with you, Nyana. You understand? And show you what will be happening in a day in the life of an Uber driver. You understand? So guys, if it's the first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. To those new subs, I am Press, the one and only best blogger in Zimbabwe. And yeah, so yeah, this video maybe I might be speaking Shona, mixing with English also, but yeah, I think you will be seeing what's happening. You understand? Yeah, so if it's the first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel for more and more content. Understand? So currently now I'm at airport waiting area. What they call it in waiting area is a place whereby all Uber drivers park. Like as you can see here, Uber drivers, they're parking here, and the airport is there. The Capetown Airport, I don't think you will see it from here, but I will show you when I get there. Understand? I'm gonna go there soon since I'm on the waiting area to pick up. So right now I'm in the waiting area, and if I get a trip to go inside, I will show you what's happening inside. Understand? So as you can see, there's a lot of cars here, and even there's a background. I don't think if you can clearly see, but the other cars are fully in the shade there, and then the Uber drivers buying pub there. You see, there's a woman which sells pub here at the airport, and yeah. So here we'll be waiting for the trips. If one requests from the airport, then you come from here and you pick up them. You pick them up in the airport. Ish, guys, don't mind my English; it's not nice. But yeah, I'm gonna try by all means. Since this video it might go viral, I don't know. So yeah, maybe the one from Malawi would like to watch this video, and if it's only Shona, it's gonna be hard for them. But ish, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to speak English the whole video. Was when the problem is I was taught how to speak English in Shona, understand? So I always think how to speak English. I always think English with Shona, and then I would try to translate it to English. What am I trying to say? I'm saying I always think how to speak English in Shona, and then I would try to translate it to English. But oh guys, I don't know. But yeah guys, that's what's gonna be happening today. So yeah, I will catch you later when I'm going to pick up to the airport. Yeah, Tango, stay tuned. So yeah guys, I just got a trip which is going to a place called Goodwood, and yeah, this is the airport there. This is the airport right there. You understand? This is the airport right there, and this is the road which goes to N2. You understand? And this is the car park for Uber drivers there, down there. You understand? So yeah, copyright. Yes. I'm playing music. Let me switch music to avoid copyright. So yeah guys, as you can see now, this is the road which goes to N2 exit. This one. As you can see, the board is there. And that one, the one which goes to terminals. You understand? So since we are going to pick up, we're going to the terminals, we're gonna use this way. You understand? So yeah, if you're gonna become a Uber driver in future, this is how we go to pick up at the airport. Go through, you see this BP garage, this is N2 which is going there. You don't take that road to N2. You take this one to the airport, then you come to this roundabout. This one should be your target. This thing which is looking like a wine glass, this big thing there. So yeah, you come through here, you take this small road, right? Always target this thing. The airport is here. Always target this thing if you don't want to be lost. And if you're coming from that side, this is N2 where this white car is there. You understand? So yeah, now we're going to pick up this thing of being an Uber driver. You won't even know who you are picking up. Is it dangerous? Is here which we carry dividing people, which is prostitutes, cheaters, and so on. So yeah, we're going here. Let's go. Let's get it. So those who don't know how Capetown Airport looks like, Capetown Airport. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna show you inside. We are going inside, ne? So I'm gonna show you. So you come here, you take this outer lane. Don't take these ones because you end up reversing. You see? So you come here, drop and go access, right? If you wanna drop someone, you continue going there. You go there. But if you wanna pick up, you come here, this side. You see? So this is how you pick up at the airport. Let me show you. It's not easy, it's like a process in here, I understand. So let me open my window and yeah, I'll show you. Okay, it's like this. So you have to get a ticket here. You have to get a ticket here, like this. So the reason why you get a ticket like they avoid people to park in the airport. That's why you see the Uber drivers, then the gate is open like this. That's why you see the Uber drivers, they park outside there to avoid people parking inside here. So if you last for more than 20 minutes here, now you have to pay. Through that thing, there's an option to pay also. You understand? So yeah, this is how we pick up in the airport. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to vlog while I'm carrying people. I'm not sure. And yeah, you continue going straight. You continue going straight. If you're a new driver, you won't be able to pick up here in the airport because it's very hard. You definitely get lost. For me to know how to pick up here, someone taught me. Like I came with my brother, then he showed me how to pick up inside here. And then here you turn left, you go straight up until you saw this gate. Let me turn left here. Up until you saw this gate coming there. That's how. That's when you turn left, then you turn right here. So that's the picking up area. The people will be coming to you here. You see, those people, they are going to their cars, and yeah, I'm gonna put my hazards here so that the person will easily see me. Look at my tank, guys. Look at my tank. So you see all those people, they'll be looking for their Uber drivers. They'll be checking the number plates. What? As you can see here. Look at this beautiful one there. So yeah, you can see all those Uber drivers. They're coming here. So now my client is gonna come here. And yeah, definitely he or she is waiting down there. I'm not sure if he's a he or she's a she. I just one man, I'm just carrying. You understand? And look at my tank. So guys, those who are asking how much do you put in the tank? So my car uses 300 the whole day. You understand? So if you watch the video to the end, I'm gonna show you how much I've made, or how much Uber drivers make, or how much I'm gonna make at the end of the day. You understand? So we have it for today. I'm targeting 1,000 rand. So let's see if we are able to. Don't tell me that I'm gonna carry those people with those bags. I don't wanna carry those people. If that is my client, I'm gonna leave him. I can't carry all those bags. Nah. Thank God it's not my client. You can't do as if you're going to war. You have to own your car if you have a lot of bags like this one. So yeah, that's a waiting area. You can see people there. And yeah, still searching for my client. So yeah, guys. So I will show you when I'm with the client, or when I'm dropping the client. So make sure you watch the video to the end. For more and more, let's get it. I think that's the dude there, coming right there. That's not him. But yeah, stay tuned. The drover, guys. Just drove. As you can see, I just dropped one in Goodwood. So now it's roughly at 12 o'clock. And I didn't eat anything since the morning. So let's go and get something to eat. Yo, I'm very hungry. So guys, my glass was dirty, and there's this other guy at the robots who is cleaning the glasses. You just come from nowhere and put water on your glass and then start to wipe it. You won't have the power to say, hey, wait now. And then you're left with no option than to give him money. It's not like a must, but you just end up giving him some coins if you have them. Because those guys, they are really doing a nice job. It's better than stealing. They're stealing people's money, you understand? So yeah, look at them. Look at this one. Look at this one there. That's what they're doing there. They just come and clean your glass room. No, this is South Africa, my bro. But yeah, we're in Maitland now, and we're going to town. I'm going to town. I'm slowly moving to town direction so that maybe I might get a trip to go in town because I wanna eat some Pedro's nyana, you understand? I wanted to buy some fresh chips in those Somali shops, but yo, what I saw there, that shop is not clean. Yo, there were flies everywhere. You know that food at the display? There were some flies, what, and I didn't like it. So I just chose like to go to town where I know I'll get some nice food at a clean environment, you understand? So now I'm in Fortrekker Road, and we're driving slowly, looking for trips that will get us in town, and then we start working in town. I don't like working in town because usually there's police, traffic, and the trips that do not make sense in town. It takes run trips and small trips there. So yeah, but I have no option because I wanna eat, and also if I got some money, I wanna take my car to the car wash. So let's just play that. Today it will be busy because now I think we are on 350 something rand, and our target is 1,000, and it's almost half day now. I don't know if we're gonna make it, but yeah, let's see if we're gonna make it. So yeah, stay tuned. So I had to go to town from Kensington, you understand? And the person is coming that side, as you can see. So as you can see, it's a lady with a daughter. So the first thing is unlock the door. Since I locked the door, and yeah, I'm waiting for them to pull up. So let's set our camera and see what's popping. You understand? So if you are picking up in something like a dangerous area, the first thing that you do, put up your windows up and lock the doors, and then you unlock when the client is coming. You understand? Hello, how's it? Ah, what is it? I want to say my mix. I need it. Ah, to go there so. Hello, what is it? Apana, mafunga kudhorobha.
Mafunga kuchikoro.
Zvinhu zvacho.
Ari kuenda ku vane orientation, ari kuenda grade R.
Oh, so guys, guess what happened? What just happened now is crazy, man. So the client that I was carrying, she knows me from YouTube, you understand? She's my friend. Yo, I'm so excited. Like, you guys, you don't know how I feel when I see that there are other people out there that knows me. There are other people out there that appreciate what I'm doing on YouTube, the content that I'm giving them. You guys make me proud. I think you also from the last part that she's a Zimbabwean. When she got into the car, she even greeted me in Shona. Hey guys, I'm trying to keep up with English, but yo, this video, as I told you, is gonna be very hard for me, boss. I don't like speaking English, but yeah, I have to, especially even if the English is broken. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I just made a fun, and I'm so super excited. So yeah, guys, now I'm going to Pedro's. I'm still in town. I'm coming from Gardens now, and yeah. So this is Orange Street. My ex-workplace. I can say my ex-workplace. This is where I started working when I came in Capetown here. So yeah, I'm gonna still use the parking even though I'm no longer working here. Yeah, when I used to work here, I didn't have a car. Now that I have a car, I came back to park. Because all this parking you have to pay, and they'll claim the car. And here, there's a no parking sign. If they claim my car, we're gonna fight. I don't wanna lie, we're gonna fight, a big fight. You understand? So, you guys, now I'm going to Pedro's. It's in Long Street to go get some food, and then you come back and continue with work. So yeah, peace out. And now I think on roughly 400 something rand, and we still need 1,000. We still need 600 something to go, or 5 something. But yeah, let's just hope our day will go nice, and it's around 12 now. And yeah, let's go, let's get it. Peace out. Wallet for the big place. I can say my ex-workplace. This is where I started working when I came in Capetown here. So yeah, I'm gonna still use the parking even though I'm no longer working here. Yeah, when I used to work here, I didn't have a car. Now that I have a car, I came back to park. With all this parking you have to pay, and they'll claim the car. And here, there's a no parking sign. If they claim my car, we're gonna fight. I don't wanna lie, we're gonna fight a big fight. You understand? So, you guys, now I'm going to Pedro's. It's in Long Street to go get some food, and then you come back and continue with work. So yeah, peace out. And now I think on roughly 400 something rand, and we still need 1,000. We still need 600 something to go, or 5 something. But yeah, let's just hope our day will go nice, and it's around 12 now. And yeah, let's go. That's the food. You understand? And that's the spoon. So this food is very nice. You should try it. If you crib near Pedro's, you should try it. What you're seeing this is sauce. It's very nice. That black sauce, barbecue sauce. This is rice inside there, and I might drink down there. You should try this one. So guys, I'm just gonna eat, and then I'll quickly go back to the car and go back to business. Yes, so stay tuned. Guys, when you're with that weather, look at the weather now, guys. Now it's raining. It's not yet raining that much this side, but yeah, it's gonna be raining soon. Now there's only showers, and yeah, I love this weather so much because it's good for the business. You understand? And also, a lot of people will be requesting, you understand? Yeah, because of the weather. So yeah, now I got a trip. I was just going to the beach, and I will show you when I'm there. Let's go, let's get it. So guys, now we currently in Woodstock Total Garage. I just dropped here around Woodstock, and yeah, we wanna chill here waiting for trips. Then yeah, if I get a trip, and then boom, I will go there. So yeah, now I'm chilling, editing this video. That's what we do, man. Watching videos, TikTok, talking to people, chatting to people, listening to music, sleeping and stuff, while we are waiting for other people to request anything. So you people, if you are watching this, please request, I need to get that trip. And yeah, it's tough really being an Uber driver. And let's check our petrol now, if we still have it. I was shocked. I thought maybe 0 bar. My dashboard is dead. But here guys, now we have 4 bars. I think I started with 7 bars, and now we have 4 bars. Now it's around 1, which means I used 3 bars since morning, and it's almost 500 rand. So which means it's gonna, the other 4 bars left, I think they're gonna be enough for us to work another 500 rand to reach our target. So yeah, let's go, let's get it. Peace out. So guys, I got another trip. I'm in Woodstock, and I'm gonna pick up a trip which is going to Rondebosch. You understand? So yeah, now I'm going to Rondebosch, and then that trip is gonna get my man to 500 something rand. So yeah, let's go, let's get it. Seems like we're gonna get to the target, or we're not gonna hit the target. Let's see. Let's go. Peace out. I'm at the destination. As you can see, I don't know. It's a more in Rondebosch. So yeah, I dropped. I just wanna take a quick nap because now I'm feeling sleepy. I just wanna sleep real quick, and then yeah, hey, let me go and check that parking, because there's no parking here. You understand? So look at where I was parking. I was parking behind those cars, and yeah, I wanna go and check parking before this car. Quickly, I wanna quickly check that parking before this car. You understand? So yeah, let's go, let's get it. Let's go. How's it guys? So yeah, I was sleeping. I'm still in Rondebosch, and now it's around to 4, and I'm super thirsty now. I just woke up and I have to continue to work, and now I'm still around 500 something rand. I don't know if I'm gonna reach the target, but let's just hope so. It was very hot. You understand? So let's go. So yeah, I'm out here, guys. Wait. So I wanna find a bottle of water, and then I'll continue to work. You understand? Because it was super hot when I was sleeping there, and now it's kind of raining. That's why I'm not wearing a jersey, because I wanna be a little bit cool, and then yeah, I'll continue with the business. Today is a very quiet day though, and the area I am is very quiet also. So yeah, let's see if we can get a trip, and then yeah. 14. Look at this drink. This drink is cheaper than this soda. This soda is saying 15, and this drink is saying 14. What's so special about the water? Now I feel like trying the soda, because like, what's so special about it? It's ginger and lime. Let's try it and see what's so special. This soda is cack. It's bullshit. It's not even worth it. It's not even tasting, guys. You know, like when you put like ginger and lemons, then you dilute with water. That's the taste. There's no any sweet thing. I thought maybe it's gonna taste like flavored water, like sparkling water, but nah, man, I was wrong. I think I'm still gonna be thirsty. I still need to buy water, not this shit, yo. Or wherever I'm too Zimbabwean. I just wasted my 15 rand. So I guess let me look for a trip, and then I'll go to wherever it's going, man. But I feel like I wanna go back to town. I feel like there's Monday in town now, since it's raining a little bit. So yeah, definitely there'll be sage in town. So peace out. I'll see you later. So guys, I got a trip which is going towards my direction to town, and yeah, I'm going to pick up the business right now. And yeah, guys, I think I'm only gonna show you at the end of the video when I'm going home, and I'm gonna tell you how much I've made today, since today is a very quiet day. You understand how much you can make it a very quiet day. You understand? So yeah, I'll tell you tomorrow. I'll tell you later on today how much I made. And yeah, so I'm gonna pick up. If I have anything to show you, I will show you later, guys. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned till the end. I love you guys. Let's go, let's get it. Hey guys, I'm now in Sea Point, as you can see. Look at the houses, nice houses here. And down there's a beach. Maybe I'll go and show you there. So guys, what happened, like, I carried this old Madala, this old white guy. He was coming to Sea Point from Bosch. The trip was 95 rand, but look what he gave me. He gave me something like 200 rand. So that's what's nice about Uber. If you tell them stories, this old Madalas, politics stories, what, and entertain them, they'll tip you. You understand? So yeah, let me put my money in the wallet. I'm in Woodstock now. I just dropped those ladies down there. You understand? I just dropped those ladies down there. Yeah, I think now we're going to town as well. Because I want to show you this crazy road. You see where I'm here? I'm in a place called Bokap. I'm going down there, and look, it still continues. It's in the mountain. Look guys, yeah. You have to come through this way. If you are coming here, you come through this lane. Look guys, look how it is. Hey, okay, or let me do this. I wanted to park and show you guys how the car will be like. The car is looking like this now. It's very steep. I don't know if that you call steep or something. Okay, so guys, now it's around 7, and look at Capetown. Still looking like it's in the morning, like you see. So I just dropped like this other white lady in Gardens, and what's boring about this time is like you have to come back in town again. Like you have to go there someone there near, but then there's no request that you should come from there around this time. So you have to go back to town again to get some ships. And I think I only need something like 5 ships, 5 rand ships. That's Uber go. And then I'll go home. So I'm just gonna grab my supper. Yeah, that's the most boring part again about being an Uber driver. You have to buy food every day. So since the morning, I think I only ate once that rice that I showed you. and I'm gonna buy rice again. That rice, I love that rice. Or I'm gonna buy pap. Okay, I'll buy pap to show you the crack that they're making at petrols. They're disrespecting pap, you understand? And yeah, so make sure you stay tuned, you watch the video to the end. And yeah, now we're going back again to Capetown. And here's my fuel, guys. Now it's on 2 bars. We started with 7 bars, and now we on 2 bars. And as you can see, now there's a fuel warning sign. But yeah, with those 2 bars, we wanna survive. We need 5 trips. Oh yeah. In fact, I need 170 something rand to reach the target. Now we own 800 something. And yeah, we're not going anywhere without reaching the target, understand? It's Nissan Almera for the people. 300 the whole day traveling. That's crazy, bruh. So yeah, stay tuned. Now I'm going to Bree Street. This is Loop Street. To find some parking nyan. You understand? And then I'll go grab some food. After that, boom. You understand? So let's go, let's get into it. So yeah, guys, we finally home. You understand? There's a motherfucker who just parked at my place, but still there's a lot of parking here. See, all there is parking. See there. So today let me go and park. But I'm so lazy to walk to come here at 4 a.m. when I'm going to work. So let me just put my car next to this one, so that tomorrow it won't take me time to walk there, because usually I'll come to collect the car while I'm on the trip already. So I don't want to waste much of the time walking to go to the car, because the client will be frustrated and get your understanding. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching the vlog to the end. That was my day today. A day in the life of a Uber driver. I don't know if there's anyone who watched to the end, but if you have watched to the end, type in the comment section. Tell me down in the comment section. Shout out to you. I'll give you a shout out in this video. Look at my gauge. My gauge is ready for tomorrow. Half tank. You understand?